What is going on, you beautiful people? Greetings and good day. Today we have another 3-pack blister pack for Scarlet and Violet Paldea Evolved, but this time it is featuring Tinkatink. So, let's go ahead and rip into this without damaging anything. Is a lot easier said than done. This packaging does not want to come apart very easily. Oh, there's the code card. Hide that if I can. Okay, so there is the Tinkatink. It swings its handmade hammer around to protect itself, but the hammer is often stolen by Pokemon that eat metal. Alright. Ooh, these must be the, well, I'm assuming these are the final evolutions of the 3 starters, because it looks like we have a fire, grass, and water. So let's start off with this pack here. Maybe if it wants to open for me. All right, go ahead and put that off to the side. All right, we have Mischievous. This Pokemon startles people in the middle of the night. It gathers fear as its energy. Dun dun dun. Sneasel. This cunning Pokemon hides under the cover of darkness, waiting to attack its prey. I feel like Sneasel and Mischievous make a good power couple right there. What do you guys think? Gothita. This Pokemon is normally very innocent. When it is staring at something invisible, it is unblinking and utterly silent. Ooh. Mischief. It always scowls in an attempt to make its opponents take it seriously. But even crying children will burst into laughter when they see Mischief's face. Gothitelle? Let me know in the comments how that is pronounced. Unleashes psychic energy and shows opponents dreams of the universe's end. These dreams are apparently ethereal and beautiful. Arctibax, I'm assuming is how this one is pronounced, freezes the air around it, protecting its face with an ice mask and turning its dorsal fin into a blade of ice. That's kind of cool. I like that one. We have Giacomo, Giamacoko, again, man, that's like 3 in a row I don't know how to pronounce. I feel like a fool. We have a reverse hollow Mankey. I really like that art style. It lives in groups in the treetops. If it loses sight of its group, it becomes infuriated by its loneliness. And another reverse hollow of Sprigatito. Names are hard. Holographic Pawmot. This Pokemon normally is slow to react, but once it enters battle, it will strike down its enemies with lightning fast movements. And a green energy. So that's that pack. Next up is this Pokemon. All right. Let's see here. All right, we have Kufant. Using the pointy tip of its trunk, it carves off chunks of hard rocks to eat. It is very docile and helps people with physical labor. Krogunk. Inflating its poison sacs, it fills the area with an odd sound and hits flinching opponents with a poison jab. We have Rookidee. We have Magnemite. Luminous Energy. As long as this card is attached to a Pokemon, it provides... Oh, I don't know why I'm reading it. Bombardier. It gathers things up in an apron made from shed feathers, added to the Pokemon's chest feathers, then drops those things from high places for fun. Wow, that is just a mean bird. Flamigo? Is it Flamigo? Flamigo? Let me know. This Pokemon apparently ties the base of its neck into a knot so that energy stored in its belly does not escape from its beak. That sounds not fun at all. Ooh, Reverse Hollow Raichu. That's pretty cool. I like that. Its tail discharges electricity into the ground, protecting itself from getting shocked. And then... Oh, daggum, another double reverse hollow. Sneasel. Ooh! That is so cool. Skeledirge EX. That is awesome. And then energy. All right, this one's going sleeve and a top loader. That is so cool. Awesome. I'll have to look up the price of that one later. I'm going to go ahead and sleeve this one up as well as all of these. I'm going to go ahead and do that. That way, you know, it builds that anticipation for this last pack. So this guy's name is Skeledirge. Good to know. So Skeledirge. The last pack gave me a Skeledirge, and now we're opening a Skeledirge pack. So let's see if that luck continues and I get another EX or V-Star or Full Art, anything like that. That would be so amazing. Let's go. Let's get this pack going. All right, here we go. We have a Wingull. We have a Pineco. It likes to make its shell thicker by adding layers of tree bark. The additional weight doesn't bother it. Meryl. The fur on its body naturally repels water. It can stay dry even when it plays in the water. And then we have a Mankey. Talonflame. It has top-notch flying capabilities. It flies around easily, even while carrying prey that weighs more than 220 pounds. That is a strong bird, especially for only measuring in at 3 feet 11 inches tall. Like that's smaller than a bald eagle, and it can carry 220 pounds. Wow. All right. We have Heracross. It loves sweet nectar. To keep all the nectar to itself, it hurls rivals away with its prized horn. We have Kilowattrel. Kilowattrel inflates its throat sac to amplify its electricity. By riding the wind, this Pokemon can fly over 430 miles in a day. That's pretty good. Ooh, we have a reverse hollow Tropius. It lives in tropical jungles. The bunch of fruit around its neck is delicious. The fruit grows twice a year. Okay, you guys have to let me know. Are these packs supposed to have double reverse hollows? Or I feel like this isn't normal. But let me know. This is Quaxley. I believe this is one of the starters. This Pokemon migrated to Paldea from distant lands long ago. The gel secreted by its feathers repel water and grime. And then we have a holographic Hariyama. It loves challenging others to tests of strength. It has the power to stop a train with a slap. It's a pretty strong Pokemon. All right, I will go ahead and sleeve these up. So if you guys liked this video, go ahead and click that like button. If you would like to see me open up more packs of cards, or I also have some videos showing off my collection throughout the years, you can go ahead and watch those, and you can also click that subscribe button so the next video posted, you will get notifications. And let's just take a look at that Skeledirge EX again, if I can get my camera to focus. Come on, camera. That is lucky right there. Nothing but luck. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. And again, like, subscribe, do the thing that, you know, you've heard from every YouTuber ever. Thank you very much. Have a good day, and bye!